Welcome back everyone. Today we're taking a look at the screen layout settings on the 25 Tucson. To get to the screen layout setting, all you have to do is swipe, go to setup, choose screen layout. The first option we have is cluster theme selection. You can choose the style of your gauge, can be simple or classic. Over here there's different graphic styles. You can link it to the drive mode or choose one of these three styles. Moving on to screensaver, you can choose not to have screensaver or choose a clock, and you can choose different styles. To go into the screensaver, all you have to do is press and hold the volume button, and there we go. Moving on to split screen, you can rearrange any option you want, or you can deselect them. To see how it looks like, you can press map, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and we'll see you soon.